The value of bearing capacity factor for cohesion NC for piles as per Mayoff is taken as A 6.2, B 12.0, C 9.0, D 5.14. The correct answer is 5.14. Permissible bending tensile stress in high-yield strength deformed bars of grade 415 nmm2 in a beam is A 190 nmm2, B 230 nmm2, C 140 nmm2, D none of the above. The correct answer is 230 nmm2. The equation along a streamline holds true for A steady frictionless compressible fluid, B steady uniform incompressible fluid, C steady frictionless incompressible fluid, D unsteady incompressible fluid. The correct answer is steady uniform incompressible fluid. An outlet irrigates an area of 20 ha. The discharge Ls required at this outlet to meet the evapotranspiration requirement of 20 mm occurring uniformly in 20 days neglecting other field losses is A 2.52, B 2.31, C 2.01, D 1.52. The correct answer is 2.31. A stable channel is to be designed for a discharge of QM3S with silt factor F as per Lacey's method. The mean flow velocity ms in the channel is obtained by A QF2 141.6, B QF 141.3, C Q2 F2 141.6, D 0.48 QF 13. The correct answer is QF2 141.6. The problem of lateral buckling can arise only in those steel beams which have a moment of inertia about the bending axis larger than the other, B moment of inertia about the bending axis smaller than the other, C fully supported compression flange, D none of the above. The correct answer is moment of inertia about the bending axis smaller than the other. Mud pumping is commonly associated with A bituminous penetration macadam construction, B cement concrete pavement on granular subgrade, C premixed bituminous construction, D cement concrete pavement on clay subgrade. The correct answer is bituminous penetration macadam construction. The most important water quality parameter for domestic use of water is A carbonate hardness, B non-carbonate hardness, C coliform group of organisms, D chlorides. The correct answer is non-carbonate hardness. Rapid curing cutback bitumen is produced by blending bitumen with A kerosene, B benzene, C diesel, D petrol. The correct answer is petrol. A pre-tensioned concrete member of section 200 mm x 250 mm contains tendons of area 500 mm to at center of gravity of the section. The pre-stress in the tendons is 1000 nmm2. Assuming modular ratio as 10, the stress in mm2 in concrete is A 11, B 9, C 7, D 5. The correct answer is 9. A river 5 m deep consists of a sand bed with saturated unit weight of 20 kNm3, VW 9.81 kNm3. The effective vertical stress at 5 m from the top of sand bed is A 41 kNm2, B 51 kNm2, C 55 kNm2, D 53 kNm2. The correct answer is 51 kNm2. Biochemical oxygen demand board of wastewater is a measure of A total concentration of a biochemicals, B total concentration of organic matter, C. Concentration of biodegradable organic matter. D. Concentration of chemically oxidizable matter. The correct answer is concentration of biodegradable organic matter. In using the data from a plate bearing test for determining the modulus of subgrade reaction, the value of settlement to be used is A. 1.25 mm, B. 2.50 mm, C. 3.75 mm, D. 1.75 mm. The correct answer is 1.25 mm. The net effective cross-sectional area calculated in the steel angle tension member design accounts for other tensile force and bolt holes. B. The eccentricity of the end connections and the bolt holes. C. The effectiveness of the tack connection along the length. D. The effectiveness of the end connection. The correct answer is the tensile force and bolt holes. A lighthouse of 120 m height is just visible above the horizon from a ship. The correct distance m between the ship and the lighthouse considering combined correction for curvature and refraction is A. 39.098, B. 42.226, C. 39,098, D. 42,226. The correct answer is 42,226. Water distribution systems are sized to meet the A. maximum hourly demand, B. average hourly demand, C. maximum daily demand and fire demand, D. average daily demand and fire demand. The correct answer is maximum daily demand and fire demand. Determine the correctness of otherwise of the following assertion A and the reason are. Assertion A. The crown of the outgoing larger diameter sieve is always matched with the crown of incoming smaller diameter sieve. Reason R. It eliminates backing up of sievage in the incoming smaller diameter sieve. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A. B. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct reason for A. C. Both A and R are false. D. A is true but R is false. The correct answer is both A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A. In highway pavements, emulsions are mainly used in A. surface dressing, B. patching and maintenance operation, C. bitumen macadam, D. asphaltic concrete. The correct answer is patching and maintenance operation. While deriving an expression for loss of head due to a sudden expansion in a pipe in addition to the continuity and impulse momentum equations, one of the following assumptions is made. A. Head loss due to friction is equal to the head loss in eddying motion. B. The mean pressure in eddying fluid is equal to the downstream pressure. C. The mean pressure in eddying fluid is equal to the upstream pressure. D. Head lost in eddies is neglected. The correct answer is the mean pressure in eddying fluid is equal to the upstream pressure. A three-hinged arch shown in the below figure is quarter of a circle if the vertical and horizontal components of reaction at A are equal. The value of is A 60, B 45, C 30, D none in 090. The correct answer is 45. The appropriate field test to determine the in situ undrained shear strength of soft clay is A. Plate load test, B. Static cone penetration test, C. Standard penetration test, D. Vane shear test. The correct answer is Vane shear test. Delta in cm. Duty D in hectare cubic and base period B in days are related as A 864 BD, B 864 D, C B 864 D, D 8.64 B. The correct answer is D 8.64 B. The penetration test for bitumen is conducted at a temperature of A 60 C, B 37 C, C 25 C, D 50 C. The correct answer is 25 C. According to Darcy's law for flow through porous media, the velocity is proportional to A. Effective stress, B. Hydraulic gradient, C. Cohesion, D. Stability number. The correct answer is hydraulic gradient. Storage coefficient of a compressible confined aquifer is a function of A. Specific weight of water, thickness of the aquifer, compressibility of the aquifer and that of water, B. Permeability, thickness and compressibility of aquifer and compressibility of water, C. Transmissibility of the aquifer and compressibility of water, D. Transmissibility of aquifer and specific yield of aquifer. The correct answer is transmissibility of aquifer and specific yield of aquifer. Factor of safety adopted by IS 800-1984 while arriving at the permissible stress in axial compression is A 2.00, B 1.00, C 1.67, D 1.50. The correct answer is 1.67. Well foundations are commonly used as foundations for the following structures: A. Water tanks, B. Bridges, C. Buildings, D. Reciprocating machines. The correct answer is bridges. The consistency of a saturated cohesive soil is affected by A. Water content, B. Particle size distribution, C. Density index, D. Coefficient of permeability. The correct answer is water content. The following two statements are made with reference to the planar truss shown below. A. Both statements are true, B. Both statements are false, C. 2 is true but I false, D. I is true but 2 is false. The correct answer is 2 is true but I false. The total thickness of pavement by CBR method depends on the CBR value of A. Base course, B. Surface course, C. Subgrade, D. All layers. The correct answer is all layers. The standard plate size in a plate bearing test for finding modulus of subgrade reaction K value is A. 100 cm diameter, B. 50 cm diameter, C. 75 cm diameter, D. 25 cm diameter. The correct answer is 75 cm diameter. The strain energy stored in member AB of the pin-jointed truss shown in the below figure when E and A are same for all members is A. 2P2LA, B. P2LA, C. P2L2A, D. 0. The correct answer is P2L2A. In a river discharge is 173 m3s, water surface slope is 1 in 6000 and stage at the gauge station is 10.0 m. If during a flood the stage at the gauge station is same and the water surface slope is 1 in 2000, the flood discharge in m3s is approximately A. 371, B. 100, C. 519, D. 300. The correct answer is 300. In an area of 200 hectare, water table drops by 4 m. If the porosity is 0.35 and the specific retention is 0.15, change in volume of storage in the aquifer is A. 160 m3, B. 1.6 x 106 m, C. 8 x 106 m3, D. 1.6 x 103 m3. The correct answer is 1.6 x 106 m. The water surface profile resulting from flow underneath the gate in the below figure is A. H3, B. M1, C. H2, DS2. The correct answer is M1. The piezometric head at point C in the experimental setup shown in the below figure when the flow takes place under a constant head through the soils A and B is A 0 cm, B 40 cm, C 80 cm, D 120 cm. The correct answer is 120 cm. Bending moments at joint B and C of the portal frame are respectively APL2PL2, BPL2PL2, CPL4PL4, DPL4PL4. The correct answer is PL2PL2. Generally, fatigue life of welded steel structure fatigue life of riveted steel structure ratio is A smaller than 1, B equal to 1, C greater than 1, D greater than 2.1. The correct answer is smaller than 1. Cohesion in soil. A decreases active pressure and increases passive resistance. B decreases both active pressure and passive resistance. C increases the active pressure and decreases the passive resistance. D increases both active pressure and passive resistance. The correct answer is increases both active pressure and passive resistance. The unit weight of a soil at zero air voids depends on A. Specific gravity, B. Water content, C. Unit weight of water, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The board removal efficiency in percentage during primary treatment under normal conditions is about A. 65, B. 85, C. 30, D. 0. The correct answer is 65.